Hello, everyone. Welcome to Inputs Outputs. I'm your host, Jeff Sengpil. In this show, we break down the nuts and bolts of professional equipment for the broadcast, post-production, and audiovisual industries. Visit keycodemedia.com to watch full-length product demonstrations, followed by Q&A from users just like you. Welcome. Thanks to everyone for joining today's episode of Inputs Outputs. I'm your host, Jeff Sengpil, Chief Technologist here at KeyCode Media. Today we have our new product from Quantum here, the H4000. Now, for years, Quantum's been a big part of the post-production process. They've owned the storage market for high-end finishing for quite a while now. Their solution for fiber channel storage has long been a standard. And along with that, there's been a team of people who've been along for the ride to ensure that your supercar storage platform is running at top performance. Quantum solutions are solid. But it takes a village to stand one up, with a lot of different knowledge needed. Fiber switch programming, metadata network creation, Linux, sudo, restart CVFS. Let's start with what we're actually looking at today, the H4000. Quantum is known for their high-performance storage, but never had the easy button for management. Quantum acquired one of the most adopted MAM systems, CatDV from Squarebox, in 2021. That brings us to what we are seeing today, the H4000. It's a converged content solution from Quantum that offers everything a creative team needs to work together. Collaborative shared storage with integrated content indexing and discovery to help creative teams work together faster and more efficiently. The deets on the box, the H4000 is shared storage and content management in a single solution. It's pre-configured. It's ready to go. Working the combination of Stornext storage in either 48 or 96 terabytes now, every user account can immediately mount the shared storage over SMB to begin sharing and organizing files and projects together. So when it comes to the CatDV side, all the content on the system is going to be automatically indexed, media metadata is going to be extracted, added to the asset record. You're going to get proxies, you're going to get film strips and thumbnails, all that stuff automatically crafted. Up to 10 users can edit directly from the shared storage or work remotely with full proxy. It comes with built-in content tagging, messaging, review and approval tools, keep your whole team working together efficiently. So some typical configurations, you're going to see a Quantum H4000. You're going to see that network switch in the middle. We've got a Mac Pro connected here, and we also have a Z workstation connected here, along with an iMac like the one behind me. That is an entire work group ready to go on a Quantum infrastructure. Although they'll kill me if I give this price out on the video, so just give us a contact here at KeyCode Media on the web or email, and we can work that out for you. So according to Quantum, it takes minutes to set up and can be done by customers if you wish by following a simple set of guided steps. We'll see how simple it is today in actuality, because I have a fiber cable here and I have a power cable here. We're going to make this happen. All right, let's take a look at what's in this box. For those of you who have set up Quantum systems before, we intend to have this working in less than an hour. Might be opening time. And what we found is a box within the box. We've got our faceplate, Cat6 Ethernet cables. I didn't expect that. And our setup guide. And on the back of the postcard is a QR code. So we're going to shoot the QR code and we're going to go right to the directions. So as everyone can see, this is the front of the box. There's drives. So as we take a look at the back, we have we're going to connect the system data and power connection. So that's going to be what's going to happen just next. All right, let's plug these in and see just how loud we're going to get. Okay, so here's what you're going to need to do. First of all, read the directions first. Second of all, you're going to have to configure your NAS virtual IP address. Third, you're going to need to configure your CatDV network settings, and that's in the interface setup. Fourth, you're going to create the CatDV user accounts for each person on your team. And once you got all that done, you're going to mount the CatDV NAS share to your operating system. And then lastly, you're going to install the CatDV plugin into your editing software. There's a very specific set of instructions you're going to need to follow to get there. So once that's all said and done, it's up to you to organize your files on the H4000. And just like that, each folder in the root of your shared storage becomes a searchable catalog in CatDV. Always up to date and ready for your team to work on together. All right, there you have it. Thanks for Quantum for giving your top partner, KeyCode Media, a chance to test, set up the H4000. So, recap. We opened the box, did the configuration. It was actually pretty simple. Took about an hour and 15 minutes to get everything set up, which is a whole lot quicker than you would expect for a typical large-scale Quantum. Some final thoughts on the H4000. What we liked about the setup: all-in-one Quantum and CatDV solution. Configuration: I didn't have to type the word sudo once. I didn't need to know Linux. I didn't need to know any of those other pieces. And while they're going to be working on honing the documentation that we saw, it all is pretty simple to go through, provided you follow the instructions. And if you skip ahead, you can always go back and follow the instructions. If you need a system like this, please don't hesitate to request a demo or a consultation on the KeyCode Media website. Thanks for joining us today. Have a great afternoon. Thanks for watching Inputs Outputs. Make sure to subscribe to the podcast to receive future episodes. And then follow KeyCode Media on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to receive news on additional AV broadcast and post-production technology content. See y'all next time.